Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to leave a review on 12Go Asia. First, complete your trip that you booked on 12Go Asia. You can only leave a review after the trip is finished. Next, open the email box. Look for an email from 12Go Asia. This email is usually sent after your journey. In the email, you will see a link that says leave a review or rate your trip. Tap on that link. The link will open the 12Go Asia app or website. Now you will see a rating option, usually from 1 star to 5 star. Tap the number of stars that match your experience. After that, you can write a short review. You can talk about things like the comfort of the trip, the driver or staff, the cleanliness, or if the trip was one time. Once you are done, tap submit review. You may see a message confirming that your review has been sent successfully. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.